Our Daily Power Scrub and Age Defense Facial Moisturizer in a powerful pack formulated for men, attacks dirt, excess oil and grime to eliminate breakouts and acne, without stripping skin of moisture. For all ages and skin types, normal, sensitive, oily, rough and dry, combo and acne-prone complexions. Natural and organic, nutrient-rich ingredients borrowed from the outdoors. Aloe vera, vitamin C, willow bark and burdock root release potent vitamins and minerals to regenerate skin. Our Daily Power Scrub Facial Cleanser was developed to cover all of the bases and is an integral part of any male grooming regimen. Our Age and Damage Defense Moisturizer is a powerful facial hydrator and soothing aftershave lotion. It is your first line of defense against the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone and post-shave irritation. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.